Chapter 13, Unitary Method. Introduction. The unitary method is a method in which you find the value of a unit and then the value of a required number of units. Suppose the cost of 6 pencils is rupees 30. Then what is the cost of 11 pencils? In our day-to-day life, we observe this type of problems. To solve this problem, first we get cost of 1 pencil, then multiply the cost of 1 pencil to 11 to get cost of 11 pencils. Mathematically, the cost of 1 pencil is equals to rupees 30 divided by 6 is equals to rupees 5. The cost of 11 pencils is equals to rupees 5 into 11, which is equals to rupees 55. To solve such problems, the method we use is unitary method. Here, cost of one object is equals to cost of many objects upon number of objects. Cost of number of objects is equals to cost of one object into required number of objects. Example 1. The cost of 12 books is rupees 4260. Find the cost of 5 books. Here we are given the cost of 12 books, which is 4260, and we need to find the cost of 5 such books. For this, firstly we'll find the cost of one book. Cost of one book will be equal to the total cost upon number of books. Here the total cost is rupees 4260 and the number of books given is 12. I am dividing it here. 4260 divided by 12. 12 into 3 is 36. We got 6. Bring down this 6. 12 into 5 is 60. We got 6. Bring down this 0. Again 12 into 5 is 60. So we got 0 as a remainder. Hence the cost of one book will be equal to rupees 355 or 355 rupees. Now we need to find the cost of 5 such books. Therefore, cost of 5 books equal to 5 into cost of one book, which is equals to 5 into rupees 335, which is equals to rupees 1775. So this is our required answer. Example 2. A train is running at a uniform speed. It covers 1530 kilometers in 6 hours. Then we need to find how much distance will it cover in 17 hours. For this, first we need to find out how much distance will it cover in 1 hour. So first I am writing distance covered in 6 hours, which is equals to 1530 kilometers. Now distance covered in 1 hour will be equal to the distance covered or the total distance upon the time given, which is 6 hours. The total distance is 1530 and the time taken is 6. So I am dividing it here. It is 1530 divided by 6. 6 into 2 is 12. 15 minus 12 is 3. Bring down this 3. 6 into 5 is 30. We got 3. Bring down this 0. 6 into 5 is 30. We got 0 remainder. So the distance covered in 1 hour will be equal to 255 kilometers. Now we need to find how much distance does it cover in 17 hours. So distance covered in 17 hours will be equal to 17 into distance covered in 1 hour, which is equals to 17 into 255. So the distance is 4335 kilometers. Hence this is our required distance. Example 4. 13 jeans cost rupees 5447, that is 5447. What is the cost of 9 genes? Here we are given the cost of 13 genes and we need to find the cost of 9 genes. So cost of 13 genes is equals to rupees 5447. Firstly, we need to find the cost of one gene. The cost of one gene will be equal to the total cost upon number of gene, which is equals to 5447 upon 13. Let's divide it here. 5447 divided by 13. 13 into 4, 52. We got 2. 10, 24. 13 into 1 is 13. We got 11. Bring down this 7. Now 13 into 9 is 117. We got 0 as a remainder. So the cost of one gene is equals to rupees 419. So the cost of one gene is equals to 419. Now we need to find the cost of 9 such genes. So cost of 9 genes is equals to 9 into the cost of one gene, that is equals to 419. So the required cost is 3771. So this is our answer.